Hi, this is Tobin, and today I want to give you a preview of our Social Media Minute coming up, where we're going to be talking about CRMs, that's Customer Relationship Management Software. Now, in the old days, in fact, I'm sure there's some small business owners out there doing it now, you would keep your customer information in notebooks or even throw pieces of paper in a shoebox, but that's going to catch up with you eventually, and we live in a world where people expect you to know what's going on and have that information at your fingertips. Now, CRMs, the big company in the world of CRMs is called Salesforce. They're kind of like the Coca-Cola of CRMs. Kind of expensive, very powerful stuff. I have actually one client that's doing an implementation with Salesforce now, and very powerful, but it's not the easiest thing in the world. So there are other companies, Nimble for example, that's called a social CRM, but I want to share with you today a tip that we found. It's a company that we're using ourselves at Musttry.it Media. It's called Insightly. And I love Insightly because it works off Gmail. So everyone in our office has Gmail and Google Apps, and we're just used to being on our computer and going to Gmail to connect with folks. And with Insightly, now you can actually, with one click of the button, enter all that information right into your CRM. So you can have all your customers, all the organizations, vendors that you work with. If you send an email to anybody, with one click of the button, it's tracked in that CRM. So now months later, you can go back and you can see, this is the last time we talked with them. This is what we shared with them. This is how they responded. This is the status of our relationship with this customer. If you want to grow your business, you've got to be organized. And I just found that having it already in Gmail made that whole operation so much easier than trying to log into a whole new website and control all that. So Insightly, hey, best part is it's free for the first 3 users. We love free as well. Love those tools that they put out there. Now, if you need to grow your team beyond 3 users, they're still fairly economical, I think, compared to the other CRMs, but the fact that you can get in there, use it, get started, if you have just a couple of people in your business that are going to be touching the customer files, Insightly is a great tool. Next week, we'll actually be talking about some personal development software that you can put on your computer that I've been using and been testing with. It actually helps you track your time of where you're spending your time on the computer. What are you doing? Are you spending most of your time in Gmail? Are you spending your time browsing the web? When are you effective, when you're not? And it feeds back a report on a weekly basis. I've been tracking myself, and I'll be sharing more on our next Social Media Minute.